Did you know that Utama spiced coconut oil is cold-pressed? This means that the coconut oil is never heated above 46 degrees Celsius. Some of the benefits of cold-pressed virgin coconut oil include: prevents wrinkles and sagging skin, nourishes hair follicles and eliminates dandruff, helps heal skin issues such as burns, eczema, dandruff, itching, dermatitis, and psoriasis. And it can be used safely on irritated and sensitive skin. So how do you use this miracle oil? Here is a quick list of just some of its potential uses. Apply it directly to the skin and hair as a moisturizer. Use it as a makeup remover. It works great as a healthy cooking oil. It makes a great cuticle oil for beautiful nails. And use it in oil pulling for whiter teeth and healthier gums. For more, visit utamaspice.com.